So you might not think about Costco when it comes to things for RV life and RV living, but we have had an incredible time shopping here at Costco. There's a ton of things that I am finding that are so useful for RV life, and I cannot wait to show you. Now this is a great, oh no, it's stuck. There we go. I saw this and I thought, oh my gosh, this would be so amazing for RVing, because I can see this actually replacing like those wagons that maybe you would want to take down to the bathhouse or to like the laundry room. This is a foldable tote bag, so it folds down, super easy storage to be able to put into those small spaces, but it has a lot of space inside, and then it has wheels on the bottom. So if you wanted to throw your dirty laundry in here, wheel it down to where the laundry room is. Or the other thing too is we like to go to a lot of farmers markets or things when we're out and about traveling. This is an amazing solution to be able to put things in and then just wheel it behind you versus a backpack. So this under sink caddy that I just ran across, $12.99. This would actually work great in some of those RV under sink areas, because it comes out like this, so your plumbing can sit here, and you could have one of these actually on either side. And then I like this little cup that's up here, gets things up and out of the way. This could be a great storage solution for RVing. So I hate to say it, but I was wrong in the sense of those Samla bins that I showed you at IKEA. While a good deal, this is an even better deal. So you have got a 4-pack of clear bins that actually have the handles that lock the lids on. These are about the same size as the ones at IKEA. 4 for $10. So that's like what, $2.50 a bin. This is an amazing deal. Clear bins, man, great for RV storage. And then for basement compartment storage, $17.99 for these larger clear bins in a 3-pack. So that's not the price for one, that's the price for 3. And then these also have the locking lids as well. So when it comes to storage, you guys, clear bins are totally your friend so that you can see what is in them. Now, while Costco has some great finds for RV life, when it comes to the gear and upgrades that we really count on, like cooling mods or summer outdoor essentials, eTrailer is really our first go-to source. Now, seriously, before we hit up any big box store or start scrolling through random listings on Amazon, we always check eTrailer first. They've got everything we need to stay comfortable and camp ready, especially during the summer. Things like a good camping rug to keep the dirt outside where it belongs, or the Max Air vent fans to really help keep the RV cool without having to run the AC nonstop. eTrailer has it all, and it's not just about the gear. They've got expert videos, install guides, and actual humans for customer support based right here in the US. So whether you're planning some simple upgrades or gearing up for the next big summer road trip, eTrailer really is a one-stop shop to get everything done right. We have used them for years. They've never let us down. Check out gratefulglamper.com/eTrailer to check out our page called On Our RV, where you can see what we're actually using on our RV currently from our friends at eTrailer. And a huge thanks to eTrailer for sponsoring this video and their support of our channel. So this Wrap It set, we actually are using these. We got these on Amazon, but we use these for our RV storage stuff in our storage compartments all the time. These are so useful for things like extension cords, hoses, anything that kind of can get to be a mess. And then with these eyelets, you can actually like hang things up in your storage compartments as well. $9.99 for this kind of like starter set. This is so inexpensive. I think this is actually cheaper than what you can find this stuff for on Amazon. So amazing for RV organization. Jackery, guys, we have one of these. We absolutely love this thing. Right now, they have it on a manufacturer rebate until June the 1st for only $650. The cool thing about this one here at Costco, it actually has a little solar panel that comes with it as well for charging. So this is totally your boondocking friend. If you are one of those people where maybe you need to run a CPAP at night, or you just want to make coffee the next morning, this is absolutely amazing. We've even used it in Florida during times there's been power outages for the hurricane. So can't say enough about our Jackery. The other generator that they have here at Costco, you've got this Champion Power Equipment, $650. This is a great buy. This is a dual fuel, so you can run this off of gas or you can run it off of propane. And if you need more power than what this is going to provide, like I'm thinking this would be great for like that smaller travel trailer, but if you've got a bigger setup, You can actually get 2 of these and run these in parallel and then have all of the power you need for those boondocking situations. The command hooks, they have these Velcro strips. These are great in the RV for hanging things like pictures or anything that you want to put on the wall without actually damaging the walls. So you could get 34 of these, which is actually 68 strips, but it's, you know, pairs, right? For 15 bucks. That is a great price. So $14.99 here, $20 for the same one on Amazon. Definitely a better deal at Costco. So this is amazing. This type of tent canopy, we love having these types of things when we are camping, just to have that extra shade on the campsite and to really just be able to create like a living room outdoors. But this is a great buy. This is $40 off right now. So $129, center push. So it's really easy to put up, and it folds down nice into a bag on wheels. So it's super easy to store in those storage compartments. This would even be great, like if you're not RVing, to just be able to throw up in the backyard for a picnic with family or friends. So here we've got a 2-person hammock. So these are really nice to have on hand. We have been able to hammock at so many campsites that we didn't even know we would be able to hammock at, but because we carry one of these with us in the RV, we're able to put it up if we happen to be at a campsite that is conducive to this. So definitely recommend grabbing a hammock. This one's $22.99 with the straps. Excellent price. And just throwing it in with your gear, because you never know when that perfect hammocking opportunity might arise. Now, obviously, why this video is pretty much focused on what you can find at Costco. There's one RV must-have product you will not find on their shelves, but trust me, you want this in your stash. This is called Claret, and it's from Unique Camping and Marine, and this is the #1 selling black tank unclogger in the USA for a reason. Now, it powers through compacted tanks, those pyramid plugs, and those uh-oh moments from leftover paper and waste. And whether it's a fresh clog or a long-standing issue, Claret gets things flowing again fast. You definitely don't want to wait for an RV disaster. You want to keep Claret in your tank toolkit. You could save 10% off when you order directly from Unique Camping and Marine at gratefulglamper.com/unique. And a huge thanks to Unique Camping and Marine for sponsoring this video. So you guys are gonna have to let me know. These types of like hammock chairs, rocker things, do you have one? Do you use one? Let me know what you think. I've seen these around. I do have to say they're somewhat comfortable. I don't know. I'm not a rocker kind of person.
Excellent!
So I don't necessarily need the rocking motion. I also feel like it'd be difficult to set up or take down. I don't know. If you have one, let me know in the comments. Do you like it? Do you not? So I just ran across these. I'm actually gonna try one of these out. So you probably have heard of the Ruggables, right? The washable rugs. And they actually have one here. It's $300. These things are not cheap, but look, here is a washable rug for $40. So I'm gonna actually pick one of these up for the RV, because our rug in the RV, well, at this point it's had kid throw up and dog hair and all of the things, and it's not washable. So I'm gonna pick one of these up and subscribe, and I'll let you know how this works out this summer. So this bug repellent fan, this seems like it is a great idea. Obviously, we've not tested it out, but if this works, this would be a great thing to be able to put on your picnic table outside, or just like that whole outside patio setup. You get 2 for $18.99. They're USB rechargeable, and they're supposed to keep all of the critters away, so might be worth a shot checking it out. They have got this beachcomber bag for $40. Now, if you've been around, you probably noticed this looks pretty similar to those bog bags that sell for like $90, $80. Anyway, I know it's super expensive, and this is way less expensive. This also would make a great RV organization because it's nice and like flexible. So I'm actually gonna pick one of these up, and then we will see how we can use this in the RV, because I've got some ideas. So this Columbia packable blanket, this has so many different uses. So right now it's $4 off, so $14.99. You could use this as like a picnic blanket if you were out and about. You could use it as an actual blanket for beds in an RV or for camping. Lots of different uses that you've got, and they've got lots of fun colors too. So this is excellent for those times when you are day tripping away from the RV. This is actually a backpack cooler. So the one thing I like about this, like, don't just think hiking, right? But think those day trips when you want to bring some sandwiches with you, or if you hit any of like the theme parks and stuff, the food there gets so expensive. So I absolutely love this. It's got a nice big compartment inside, and it comes with a couple of different huge ice packs that you can throw in with your stuff to keep it cold. Absolutely love these types of things. And this one is so versatile with all of the different pockets and the pouches. And then look, here's a little bottle opener right here too. And $7 off right now through June the 8th. So you might not think about beach chairs when it comes to camping, but these are great to have on hand, and you can just use them when you're sitting around the campfire at your campsite as well. But $29.99 for these Tommy Bahama beach chairs. This is a great price. There's a $10 rebate right now. And we love having these on hand because we're more kind of like beach people. We do a lot more camping along the coast. So you'll have to let me know in the comments, are you team beach or you team go to the mountains? I want to let you know, if you want to come travel with us, we've got just the opportunity for you. We just opened up reservations to join us on a cruise next spring in 2026. And this is not just any cruise. This is an RV YouTuber meetup cruise, and you can join us and our friends Phil and Stacy from Today is Sunday, Chad and Tara from Changing Lanes, Joe and Rachel from Two Crazy Campers, and Howard and Caitlin from New State Nomads. There's going to be a lot of fun to be had with all of our friends and fellow travelers. You can learn more and reserve your cabin with a small deposit at gratefulglamper.com/cruise. And trust me, this cruise will sell out quick. It's going to be the most popular cruise of the year, so you want to book your cabin as soon as possible. How many? 34. You definitely don't want to wait for an hour to, I can't talk today. So this under sink caddy that I just, you have got the, they put the zippers together so I can't get inside of it. So you'll have to let me know which of these things was maybe surprising. And then if you want to be surprised by some things that you could find for RV life in a place that is totally unexpected, well, check this out right up here.